Hey guys, this is Matt with How to Make Money Online. Today I want to talk to you guys about GetResponse. We are going to go through and show you guys how to use it. I'm going to show you the free tutorial, what you get with it. We're going to go through a couple of the different tools and why something like this is actually a really powerful tool to have in your arsenal. A lot of people one of the best So there's a couple of components when talking about internet marketing that GetResponse or similar tools like this actually use. The big things. So when you're starting out with your business and you're trying to get traction, you're trying to build a website, trying to build a mailing list, trying to figure out how to do a click funnel or lead capture, like capturing emails or doing opt-ins and newsletters and things of that nature, it can actually become very overwhelming because there are so many tools out there. There's so many ways to get it done, and most people just want to cut the crap out and they just want to get a tool that does it all. You don't have to think a ton about it. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can kind of just open it up, get started, get things rolling so that you can spend more time focused on your business rather than figuring out how to design a lead page. I mean, who wants to do that work? There's testing involved and you want it to convert well. And the bottom line is these tools, including GetResponse, they all do that for you. They kind of present to you a working model, something that has been proven with a track record to convert well, and that's why they charge money. They make money because you're buying a proof of concept that already works, and it gives you kind of like a jump start into your business, and or if you already have a business and you're just trying to get it moving better, get that page converting better, that's what this is going to do. That is what they advertise that they're going to do. So today I want to walk through the free trial and kind of show you guys what these premium features do. And yeah, we're just going to play around with the tool. We're going to bump around a bit. We're going to get lost in it. So if you're interested, stick around. Let's dive in. All right, guys, so let's first jump in and talk about the free trial. So there is a 30-day free trial. It allows you to play around with the tool. It's pretty unrestricted, but there are some limitations within it, which we'll bump into as I do the tutorial. You guys will see what I'm talking about exactly. But in terms of pricing, they have a couple of different plans here. So we have a basic email marketing plan, which is $15.58 a month. Then we have marketing automation, which is a beefier plan at $48, and an e-commerce marketing plan at $97.58. So just to show you guys, first of all, we'll do the $15.58 times 12, which is $186 a month. I'm sorry, $186 a year for the base plan. And let's just pop this in, 48, 38, 580, and then 97.58. Whoops, 97.58 is 1170. So as you can see, the prices do vary quite a bit when you add it all up. They do allow you to save a little money as you buy, between a monthly and an annual plan. I think there is some sort of a discount. But just to show you a rundown of the difference between the plans, they have some extra features here that you wouldn't normally get. E-commerce tracking, that may or may not be important to you. We've got product box, whatever that is, recommended products, abandoned cart trigger. So I think it would send automated emails that you abandon your cart. Promo codes, so you could do unique. That's actually really nice. That you could do full unique and sunk codes. Spam checker. Then down here in the automation, so you can see where it starts to branch off from the base plan to the automation plan, is we have a lot more features here where we can look at click and open follow-ups, drip campaigns, which is like emailing repetitively, contact scoring. You could score your list of from your mailing list. You can play with the abandoned cart triggers. You can do let's see, split automation, amount filter. I mean, in all honesty, this kind of gets into the weeds of stuff. I think what it really comes down to is number of users. Like if you have a team, that's pretty important. Support is important. Let's see here. List management stuff, segmentation. I mean, this really gets into the nitty gritty. Like if you have a large operation, you're probably in the e-commerce marketing program to begin with. But if you're just starting out and you're just trying to figure things out, start small, build up. You can always change the plan. You can always upgrade later. They make it very easy to upgrade. So I wouldn't worry too much about this stuff. Live webinars, that's kind of a nice feature. You can actually do webinars with your contact list. It just makes things really simple. So if that's going to be part of your marketing platform, that's something to consider. Let's see here. We've got chats, conversion funnel. So this is obviously very important, and you get it on all the plans. Paid ads, SMS marketing, analytics, integrations. So these are the integrations. You can integrate with Google Analytics, WordPress, Shopify, all kinds of stuff like that. WooCommerce. I mean, these are big names here. Stripe, that's a payment platform. PayPal, Etsy. So this is great if you have a store or you're building a store and you have a contact list that you're growing just from like old customers or something. Integrating with this can be very, very powerful just in terms of like following up and doing holiday sales and things of that nature. To try for 30 days. So you can see it's very easy to actually get the trial. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. So the monthly plan, we have a 12-month plan where you save 18%. These are the same plans that I was showing you just before. There's a 24-month plan where you can save 30%. See, the price comes down a little bit. So $13.30 times 12 is $160. So 160 versus like 180. It's a little bit of a savings. You have it for 2 years. And that is going to come with all kinds of upgrades and updates and stuff like that, because as a subscription, like everything that's a subscription these days, it's always in development, and that means that there's always going to be a new release of some fancy schmancy thing, like the AI email generator. You could see that's new, powered by ChatGPT of all things, so that's pretty cool. Also, you can choose how many contacts you need. This is great when you're starting out. You could set it to the minimum, and as you grow, and if you have a gigantic mailing list, obviously you're going to pay for it because you're managing so many people. But it's a sliding scale, and you could just set it to what you need it to be. That's going to do it for this video. Guys, thank you so much if you stuck around. Please make sure that you like and subscribe if you think this is useful for you. If there's an aspect of this tool that you want to see me play around with, please let me know down in the comments below. I have a second video coming out where I'm going to dive into the landing pages, funnel creation, and some of the email stuff. So if you want to check that out, please take a look. It will be here very soon.